Welcome to this video, where we will show you how to generate an enrichment pipeline as a notebook and execute the same designed enrichment steps on full-scale or future tables with the same schema. In the following sample table, the supplier column has already been reconciled with Wikidata IDs using the Alligator service, with the football club column provided as context. Based on the reconciliation results, we reviewed the uncertain or unmatched cells, such as Puma and Nike. We manually reconciled these cells either by selecting one of the suggested candidates or by manually adding the correct entity. These corrections were then propagated across the entire column to persist the change and update the status of all cells with the same value. To start with the enrichment pipeline generation, we simply click on the Export button, select the pipeline, and choose the Jupyter Notebook option. Now, switching to Jupyter, we can open the file and review the operation summary, which includes the reconciliation and 2 propagation operations. Let's run the notebook. First, we press Enter to proceed with the Kronos URL, and then provide our login credentials. Next, we specify the dataset_ID and the table_name for the resulting table. Finally, we provide the path to the CSV file, where the enrichment pipeline will be executed. As we can see, the table, Football Club's Pipeline Generated, has been successfully uploaded to the framework. Now, we run the reconciliation operation for the supplier column using Wikidata Alligator. Looking at the results, the metadata assigned to the Puma cell appears inconsistent with the supplier column, as we can notice from its types, historical motorcycle manufacturer. However, a quick look at the third candidate suggests it is the correct match with Business Multinational Corporation as types. We can verify this by clicking the URI link to be redirected to the Wikidata page, where we can notice the description German Multinational Corporation. While Macron and Umbro cells have been accurately reconciled, confirmed by types such as textile industry and sporting goods manufacturer, the Nike cell was assigned a business metadata. Upon checking Wikidata again, we can see the reconciliation service made an incorrect assignment, as it refers to an energy supplier and power engineering industry. Based on these initial results, we proceed with the pipeline to verify how propagation operations complete the reconciliation. We can see how the correct metadata has now been assigned to the Puma cell. Finally, by running the next operation, we see that Nike has also been successfully reconciled with newly added metadata, which we can again verify on Wikidata. Notice its description, American Athletic Equipment Company. Now that the supplier column is fully reconciled, we can export the table as a JSON file. Checking the table directly on SemT-X, we can confirm the column is completely and correctly processed. Thank you for watching.